Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today I am working in my Christmas binder. So we're going to go ahead, flip forward. This is actually where we left off last time, but I want to go ahead and finish it. I already wrote on here, we're finishing it, 7/27. Only took us 6 months, but hey, it all adds up. That's all that matters. We're saving towards Christmas time. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to kind of probably fast forward through it. I'm going to color these two last icons in. And then we also have 2 stars. Let's go ahead and color in the stars first. So I posted some videos last week that I had recorded the week before because I don't know if I got this, the lettuce illness that's going around or what, but I had some sort of a stomach issue. And so I just was not feeling good. So last weekend, I just sort of took it easy. I finally edited my videos and got them posted because I didn't post anything the one week, but we're back. So I got those 2 done for $4. So it's $2 for each star. This one is actually a freebie on my coffee account. So if you're saving for Christmas, this is a fun one to do. You pick what you want for each thing. So I did $2 for each of the stars. The icons here are $5 a piece. And the snowflakes, I rolled a D6. So we've got $4 for that. And then let me go ahead and get these colored in, and we'll add in $10 for that. So give me just a minute. All right. As usual, I'm not the most beautiful of colorers, but hey, we got $10 for those 2. So our last add-in is going to be $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. So let's see what we're going to put in for total in our Merry Christmas color and save. So I will say I was really disappointed because I was doing our Merry Money Mondays, but the ladies decided to, I believe, end the collab. So unfortunately, I don't have that to do anymore. But I'm thinking I'm going to stick with my $140 that I bring in each month towards Christmas, and I just added in another savings challenge. So we'll go that route. But total saved for our Merry Christmas color and save, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, woo-woo, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We saved $107. Nice. So let's write that on here. And let's write it on here. We've got 107. I love it. That's some good Christmas savings right there. Maybe we'll finish something else today too. Who knows? But 1 down. Yay. So next up, we're going to go to our Shut the Box from April's Fresh Start. And I love a Shut the Box. If you've seen my channel before, you know this about me. And the way you play, you roll 2 6-sided die. Whatever they add up to, you can cross off up to 2, and we'll see what we get. So 4. So let's just do our 4. 10. All right, let's do 9 and 1. Oop, I was supposed to do red. Oops-a-daisies. Oh, well, we're going to do it backwards today. 8, okay. 8. 6. Let's do 6. Come on, we need a 7. 5, okay. So we've got 12 left. We got 7, all right. And then we got a 2 and a 3, so we're just going to roll 1 dice. We got a 3. All right, let's say if we shut the box, we'll save $20. No, we got a 4. Okay, so we only had the 2, but what we're going to do, because that's not hardly anything, we're going to do 2. And then we got a 4, so let's do times 4. And we'll save $8. Not much, but it's something. Better than $2. That's not nearly enough. So $5, $6, $7, $8. Let's see what that now puts us up to in our Shut the Box. All right, we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Nice. So let's switch that out. You know me, I love to have it condensed. But woohoo! We got ourselves some savings in there. Nice. Let's get this out of the way. Alrighty, next up, we've got this one from Budget with Amanda. It's actually a collection of tinies that's a freebie on her coffee account, and I just added numbers and turned them into scratch-off tickets. So let's shuffle it up and let's do 3 of them. And we'll just pick ones at random, I think. So we got a 4, a 1 for 5. Ooh, we're just getting started on this one. And a 4 for 9. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had to empty it. I brought my vacuum over and it just exploded fuzzies everywhere. All right, and I don't even have a 1, so $9. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see what we are up to now. And I don't know how much this is going to save us because I don't remember what amounts I put on there. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, $39. And we still have a lot to go. So this is going to be a big saver, I think. Nice. Next up, we've got the Cafecito Budget, Mama Claus here, and this is going to save us $50. So let's see, where do we want to scratch? Number 1. We'll do about $10, I think, for each. So we got a 5. And let's go again. 2. 1, 2. And 3. So 1, 2, $3. And let's go one more time. 2, 1, 2. And a 3. All right, so 3, 4, 5, and a 5 is 10. Looks like we got a 10 in here too for 20. That's our last 20. So we've got 20, 21, 22, $23. Nice. Almost halfway there. Next, we've got one that's stuck. All right, we've got this one from IndigoMoonBudgets, and we had a lot of small ones last time. This one might just be small numbers. I don't remember for sure. We got 1, 2. So we got $2. We'll go again. Might all be little numbers, so we might just finish this one today. It might just be a fast one. So 2, as I throw my stuff. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we got a 5. So that puts us at 7. I might have to charge that. It's sounding like it's dying. 1. What do we got here? Oh, we got a 4. But I only have 1 left, so we're just going to go ahead and finish it. What the heck? But we did get all the little numbers, I think, the first time. Oh, yep, we definitely did. That's 9. Okay. Might as well finish it, though. So let's grab a 1 and put it back for 10. Let's switch these 2 5s out for a 10. And total for IndigoMoonBudgets, we saved $10, $20, $21, $22, $23. Is that right? 5, 10, 23. Yep. All right, I do have a 20 sitting off to the side though, so I'm gonna switch these out. All right, so $23. Thank you from Indigo Moon Budgets over there, and we appreciate that. I appreciate all the freebie coffee savings accounts that were savings challenges that we end up with. All right, 2 down. Woo woo. That'll probably be it for today. Let's be honest with ourselves. All right, this one is from BossBabeBudgets, and let's see what we're gonna save today. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got 3, so we'll definitely go again. 2, 1, 2. And that is 6. And that makes 9, so I feel like that's good enough for us. All right, so we ended up with 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21. Nice. Definitely plenty more to go, too. That's going to be a good size saver. Next up, we've got this one from BudgetingwithaGinger, and it's going to save us 65. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Brittany likes the spicy number, so let's see. We got ourselves a 9. So I think we will go ahead and stop there, and then we'll do the last 2 next time to finish us up. All right, 9. Let's grab a 1 and put that back and bring in a 10. So we now have $20, $40, $50. And then next up is our catch-all. So we're just going to flip on past that. Okay, this one I just added in, and this is Countdown to Christmas, made by Simply Made, and it's going to save us $100. So it's got 12 on here, so we're going to do 2 each month is what I decided, because it's 6 more months until Christmas time. So that's my plan as of right now. You know me, I might change. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are big numbers, so as I say that, I get a 2. Okay, 2. Let's go again. Then we got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 10. All right, $12. Not too bad. So 10, $12. And then this one is Merry Christmas. This is from Janelle Ray Budgets. I got this off of her Etsy account. So 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to save us 100. I don't know if I already said that or not. All right, 7 to get us started. Those are nice scratchers. And then let's go again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a 5. And we've made it all the way around, so let's do one more. 2. 1, 2. And that is a 5. All right. So we've got 10, 15, 16, $17. Nice. Okay, and then we are back to our Shut the Box. We've got quite a bit, so I think we can keep on going. Let's do another Shut the Box. All right, where's our other one? We need our 2 6-sided die. So we got 8. Let's do red this time for the no-goes. So 8. Oh, I guess I could have done whatever color the box is, but hey. 5. 7. 5 again. So let's do 4 and 1. 9. Perfect. 3. Okay. We need 8. And we got 8. All right. Well, our $20 stands. We shut the box. Woo! And that is going to save us $20. We'll at least write that in green. Yay. And shut the box. Nice. I love it when we shut the box. All right, 5, 10, 15, 20. So with that, we now have $40. Okay. One more of those left, so we'll finish that next time. And then we are back around to budget with Amanda. So let's see. Let's pick one at random. Let's go right here. Let's see what we got. We got quite a bit left here. We got a 1. A 4. Let's do one more. And 2. Okay. I still needed that too. So we're adding in another $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. And we now have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Nice. Definitely going to save us a good chunk. All right. We are making it through this one. Nice. And then we're back around to the Cafecito budget. So let's see. Where are we going to scratch next? We've got $2, $4, $6, $7 left. 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves us with $3. So we'll just add that into our catch-all. So we've got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 out of our 50 that we're saving with that one. All right, and then, where'd my clip go? There we go. We ended on a blank one, so let's go ahead and we will just start out next time on our Merry Christmas from BossBabeBudgets. So let's go ahead and go back here, though, and we get to add some to our catch-all. Nice. What did I say we have? We got $3 we're adding in. It looks like we're on green now. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And now in our little catch-all from Budgeting with a Ginger, we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. All right, that was a pretty good savings for Christmas this week, friends. So we finished this one from IndigoMoonBudgets, and we finished this one off of my coffee account. 107, yay! I mean, you can make it save whatever you want to. But alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's Christmas savings, and I hope you'll join me in my next video. Bye, friends.